Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all? I hope you are very well. I'm also very well, Alhamdulillah, with your prayers. The video will be 2 minutes long, just 2 minutes long. Take 2 minutes to watch the video. I hope it will be useful. I'm now in the workshop of Hasan Engineering. I have not found such a video in social media, Bangladesh, India, and others country. So I'm not found this video social media. Now we will show it to you in this video. We will now board the 2NZ engine. It is oversized. Now we'll bore it. Now here we will measure the size within size. Here the work is done elegantly. Our work is different from everyone, so hopefully it will be a beautiful job here. So now our main work is finished and completed after seconds. You will get a much better video from this one.